In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule recurring meetings in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself needing to set up a meeting that happens repeatedly, perhaps weekly or monthly, without the hassle of organizing them individually each time, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily manage your recurring meetings with just a few simple clicks. To start, open Outlook on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll notice several icons on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on the calendar icon. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the different views and options, but don't worry, we'll focus on just what you need. Next, we'll move on to the next step. Locate the New Event button, usually found at the top of your screen. Clicking on this button will open up a new window where you can enter the details of your meeting. Don't worry about filling in all the details right now. Our main focus is on setting it up as a recurring meeting. Before moving further, it's crucial to differentiate between a one-time event and a recurring series. Select Event to open additional options. Within this window, you're given a chance to name your meeting and add any guests, but directly below you'll see an option labeled Series. Click on Series, and this is where you can define the recurrence pattern of your meeting. Now, you'll see a field called Schedule, which might be a bit hidden initially, found towards the bottom of your screen. Clicking on Schedule will allow you to customize the frequency with which this meeting should occur, whether you want it daily, weekly, monthly, or a unique pattern entirely. There are multiple choices to explore here. Choose the option that best fits your needs. You can adjust it further to fit specific weekdays or align it with certain months. Once you've selected your ideal schedule, take a moment to look over all the other details you've entered, like the meeting title, participants, and location, just to ensure everything is set the way you want. It's always good practice to double check, especially when setting up something as crucial as a recurring meeting. After reviewing and confirming all the details, simply save your event. You've now successfully scheduled a recurring meeting in Outlook. With this meeting series scheduled, Outlook will automatically generate each instance of the meeting in accordance with the schedule you've set. As a result, you'll save lots of time and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to check back for more helpful tips to make the most out of your Outlook calendar. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.